We are a couple of clicks away from the arcology.
Did you get the clearance code?
Yes. I sent the data and they are expecting our arrival.
Did you read the article on the AI? Did you fully understand why a secondary AI is needed for the journey?
It comes down to AI being unable to go on an exploration mission to unknown places in deep space. Exploration is about unknowns and AI doesn't really like the unknowns. The expert we're going to meet will explain it in detail.
This is my first time on an arcology. What's it like?
It's like a planet. But imagine a spaceship that holds countless amounts of buildings, and these buildings all host cities and neighborhoods.
Will we be able to explore?
I don't think so. This is a work thing, not a holiday. We get in, do the deal, get the AI, and we get out. No one can know we are on that arcology. So much is at stake.